Hi, my name is Jalen. I would like to introduce you to the Dyna-Cut PRB-18 shear, the ultimate shear for cutting standing seam, soffit, and similar profiles. With an 18-inch cutting width, the PRB-18 handles a wide range of profiles, ranging from soffit to standing seam, board and batten, and similar profiles. We custom design every blade to match your exact profile so the fit and the cut are exactly right. The PRB-18 is equipped with a 3-bladed design. The top blade removes material between 2 bottom blades. This design keeps profiles from distorting, producing clean cuts every time, especially on the most detailed profiles. The blades are made from a hardened A2 tool steel. These are engineered to hold an edge over time, reducing downtime from dull tooling. The power is delivered by an SEW motor and gearbox. These are both manufactured in the USA, providing consistent torque and dependable performance. The kind of components you don't have to think about because they just keep working. Note we also offer an air-powered version of the PRB-18 for the shops that prefer pneumatic operation. The optional back gauge is simple and easy to use, ensuring repeatable, accurate cuts every time. This unit is shown with the optional base, as well as the optional 3-foot infeed and outfeed tables. This setup keeps material handling simple and stable without requiring extra hands. The PRB-18 is designed and manufactured in the USA in our own facility, where we ensure every machine is built to the highest quality standard. The Dyna-Cut PRB-18, built for real shops. Call us to order yours today.